expanding double brackets. I've got 3 questions, they almost look the same apart from the signs. By far the easiest one is the one with all the positive numbers. X times x, x squared. X times 3, 3 times x, 3x. Two times x, 2x. 2 times 3, 6. All you've got to do now is collect like terms. You've got the x squared family on its own. 3x plus 2x makes 5x, and you've got the plus 6. X times x, x squared. Be careful with this one. X times negative 3. That's a negative and that's a positive. Negative always wins, so that'll be negative 3x. Positive, okay. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 3, that's a positive. Remember, that's a positive and that's a negative. Negative always wins, so 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. You got x squared on its own. You got minus 3x plus 2x. Minus 3 at 2. If you think about the number line, negative 3 is over here and you're adding. So when you're adding, you're going that way. Adding 2. 1, 2. That's negative 1x. Negative 1x. Just write negative x. And you've only got minus 6, negative 6 on its own. It's done. X times x, x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. We've got negative 2 times x, negative 2x. And then negative 2 times negative 3. Well, you're multiplying 2 negatives. That'll make a positive. Positive 6. All you've got to do now is simplify. You got x squared on its own. Negative 3x, take away 2x. Look at the number line. Negative 3 is right there to begin with. And you're taking away 2x. Taking away 2. Taking away 2 is that way. Going to the left. 2 spaces to the left. That's negative 5x. And then you got the plus 6 on its own. Can't be simplified any further. Right, can I just emphasize this point here? Whenever you're multiplying or dividing with negative numbers, think about who wins. So in this case, we are multiplying, so you have to think about who wins. You've got a negative and a negative. 2 negatives make a positive in this case. But if you had negative 2 times 3, you got a negative number and a positive number. So negative wins. That'll be negative 6. And likewise, if that negative was there, it'd be the same answer, still the same answer. You got a negative multiplied with a positive. Negative wins. There. Right, this situation is different now. You might say, well, there's 2 negatives there, make a positive. No, we're not timesing or dividing here. Absolutely not. We have got negative 2 there on the number line. So in a situation like this, when you're adding and taking away, think about the number line. So you've got negative 2 to begin with. Number line. Find negative 2. Are we adding or taking away? Well, we're taking away. So when you take away, you go to the left. 3 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3. That's negative 5.